Rigid body mechanics, referencing Osborne Reynolds and Dr. Victor Levy, and Revelations 13:18. The number of a man is the Reynolds number of blood plasma. That's what I'm about to prove. So there's my references. Rigid body mechanics, it takes a new concept that steps beyond rest mass of rest time. You just switch perspective. Take two rigid bodies. They are the grains of Reynolds submechanics, but we're examining them as individual grains. Take a grain, it's a membrane around a normally piled 6 group of expanding force grains inside a single grain, and it's set by temperature. So the temperature zone is set by the warm body at the center, and the membrane is the same temperature. And so the zone of the grain that we're examining of the rigid body is a zone of temperature. Does that make sense? Inside it there's cavitation of force expanding and twist and all the complexity, but if we just see the rigid body for now, we're just seeing a membrane of temperature. It's collided with another body of temperature, different structure, different membrane, different geometric construction. And one body has collided into another in Brownian motion. Now, take the moment of maximum collision and freeze the action there as rest time. In order for there to be motion from that position where you've got the 6 body grains now forced together, think about what's happening inside the grain where you've got the dilatancy has been broken, you've got compaction. You've actually got compaction of the two rigid bodies. There's some elasticity in that surface of the collision. Some elasticity. So at the moment that we take maximum collision, there is no elasticity, and that's solid modulus 0 to the I squared, taking that the 0 of the maximum collision compaction has an orthogonal action, which is described by the twist, Victor Levy. Now, in order for those motion now to occur, they must move away and then slide. So Brownian motion, you see it's hitting and coming off at various angles, random. It's because the difference in the viscous handover is so finely balanced. So that from the moment of compaction, now take rest time and let's move the action forwards slowly. What's going to happen is that they're going to rebound and move away. The moment that it moves away, the very moment that it moves away from that maximum compaction, there is a capacitance discharge of static electric buzz. Because there's a difference. Because of the dipole action of the twist of the 0 to the I squared, there's a difference. And so there's a capacitance charge, a spark. That spark is the remains of the light that was emitted in the moment before. So as the motion away occurs, light is emitted. Infinite acceleration, but limited by the viscosity of the heat that is generated by the work done. And that sets the distance of the plasma sphere around the center of the Earth. And so the dilatancy, now we have the light creating a sphere around us. There is a spark of a capacitance discharge as the remains of the light can be observed. And that remains is the sun rotating at a distance of 1 astronomical unit from us, from the action of the motion away from the rigid bodies of matter trying to separate. So matter trying to separate creates energy which compacts the matter again in the dilatancy zone. Rigid body mechanics. Does that make sense?